Hi, my name is Corey Biazzo, and I'm a practicing American civil litigation attorney, and you are watching Executive Coup. In today's episode, we're going to discuss a third case that appears to be heading towards future contempt of court proceedings against members of the Trump administration. This case involves the deprivation of Fifth Amendment due process rights to a group of migrants who were deported to South Sudan, which is a country that none of them are from. On March 28, 2025, Judge Brian Murphy of the U.S. District Court for the District of Massachusetts issued a temporary restraining order forbidding the government from removing several individuals from the United States to any third country aside from where the individuals are from, unless the individuals and their counsel were first provided with written notice of the country where they would be removed to, and until the government provided the individuals with a meaningful opportunity to submit legal challenges under immigration laws to their removal proceedings. On May 21st, 2025, the court found that the government violated the preliminary injunction by failing to provide the individuals with a meaningful opportunity to present legal challenges to their removal to third countries. The judge in his memorandum on injunction stated, quote, "Giving every credit to defendants' account, the non-citizens at issue had fewer than 24 hours notice and 0 business hours notice before being put on a plane and sent to a country as to which the U.S. State Department issues the following warning, quote, do not travel to South Sudan due to crime, kidnapping, and armed conflict. The judge so far has ordered that the Department of Homeland Security shall maintain custody over these individuals in South Sudan while providing the individuals with adequate time and access to counsel as they would have had they not been removed from the U.S. to South Sudan in violation of the preliminary injunction. The court makes clear, quote, this order reflects a remedy in light of the court's finding of a violation of its preliminary injunction that has been narrowly tailored in accordance with principles of equity. Here the court is using its equity powers to right the wrongs against the removed individuals without dictating the executive branch's foreign policy authorities. Further, the order requires that DHS not relinquish these individuals to foreign custody, where the government could then attempt to argue that it can't get them back, like they have done with the Kilmar Abrego Garcia case. This case will likely result in future discovery fact-finding inquiry to determine which officials in the Trump administration to hold in contempt of court for directing the violation of the initial injunction in this case. After that, contempt proceedings will likely occur. Keep following Executive Coup for further updates on this matter and others related to the apparent executive coup attempt that is unfolding in the U.S. federal government at the direction of President Donald J. Trump. Thank you.